Monica, is Ty a nice guy?
He is amazing.
What? Monica?
Me right here.
Check me on my YouTube. I'm that nigga coming up. I'm just chilling with my niggas. No, we tryna get that back. Tryna flex on all these haters, but that's never gonna stop. Mess around and you can yeah, my niggas, we don't play.
Hell yeah, time money. Time money.
Time money. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm here with the boy. Tell him what's good, bro.
I'm here to get buckets, only buckets. Subscribe to the YouTube, like and all that, you feel me?
Yes, sir.
He did win the last bout. Let him know what jet that means.
Time money.
But, you know, I really wasn't trying.
Our boy said he wasn't
really
trying.
not my thing, bro. It's not really my thing. You know, he was warmed up and everything. That's what he does, bro.
Bro, we came out here at the same time, bro.
Bro.
What you mean I was warmed up?
Let's see about this 1v1 work. This what really matters. Yeah.
Alright, yeah. So we're finna play a little quick 1v1 real quick, you know. First one, what are we going to? 11? 13? My rules? Alright. So we're gonna get a quick game to 12 real quick, you know. So the last time we played was like 5 months ago. And a lot of things have changed. Boy became a blood now. So that boy a blood now. First one to 13, ones and twos.
Crank that whole sound, so.
Tight money. Tight money. Hey man, our boy Santana won though, man. That was a close game. You didn't think I was gonna come back on you like that, huh?
No, not at all. He definitely surprised me there. You know, I wanted him to come back. You know, I started liking off. You know, I wanted it to be a game, but he started getting too serious, so I had to step up. You know, and we ended up getting the dub. I didn't need the 2, but you know, I did it for the fans.
Yeah.
It was telling me shoot it in my head, so I was like, yeah, I feel the energy. I shot it. I made it. You know, came back with another dub. Good game though, bro.
Yeah, bro, you too, bro. Man, I wanted this game, bro. I mean, as y'all saw, I fought, I dug in, tried to do a little comeback, you know what I'm saying? But it didn't turn out in my favor. When you're dressing all red, bro, you got the straps on you.
Yeah,
So, he's saying no, but trust me, I know. That's gonna be the end of the video, bro, you know? Double upload. I've never done that before.
I'm in both of them.
Yeah, he's in both of them. I've never done the double upload before, so we're gonna see what the YouTube algorithm does with that.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, so it's all about the views, man. And
No cap, man.
I'll see you guys in the next video.
What can I say? Mamba out.